guys, so you still a bit shy on this camera thing, but get used to it though. So it's my project. Should have introduced it a long time ago. Got it months ago, but I feel like right now is the time. Because when I bro behind the camera, he influenced me to do this. That's why I'm a bit shy. Introducing Project CRL, pt1 go. So guys, coming to the problems that the car had, or still has. So, car's a mess. I'm gonna put it right there, for sure. Somewhere here or there, I don't know. But yeah, I've seen the editing. This car is fucked up. It's actually a bit better to what it was, but I'm still not happy though. I changed the lights, the grill, the bumper. Still not sitting straight, as you can see for sure. Sitting a bit skew. The bonnet doesn't align. Cameraman, do your job. So yeah, doesn't align. That side too, by the corner. The side is high, the side is low. Still missing this part here. Hey, don't mind my hands, guys. He's having a golf. But yeah, this is the car. I bought new rims for it. You can see the side. I'm not happy with the new paint job. It's wobbly. I added mud tabs, got it painted, new door handles. Oh, in mine, by the way, it's not. And then, yeah, it's a go. It's a velocity. I got my personal registration here at the back, 001 CRL. Truck insurance, of course, is needed. It's a velocity, as you can see. Still need to change these up because these are the old ones, but we'll get to that. Yeah, that's pretty much the car right now. But listing down all the problems it had a clutch problem, CV joints, all of those things, mechanical you can think about. I had those, I had them changed. I'll put up pictures and videos of what I have, didn't really vlog that. And then, yeah. So, coming to the engine bay, I got a new battery. That's my management right there. If you know, you know. If you know, I'll just say you know. So yeah, got it painted too. The head block cover, whatever. Got it painted. New lights, new belts. Painted the alternator. New center here. New clutch. Clean the gearbox. CV joints. But there's still a lot to be done. I'm missing a lot of things. I have problems with my relays, the dictator wiring. I need a wiring to get done. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the engine. Come close. So what still needs to get done? The engine smokes for some reason. Sometimes it gives problems starting, but as I said, it's probably because of this part here. So that's my management. And then this fuse too, this relay too for my fuel gives me problems. Got a new battery, that's okay. Just that there's some things that drain the battery. Coolant is they changed the bottle. I still need the centers, and this one I need to get it fixed, and the piping for the washers. But yeah, what still needs to get done is the arms. I need a air filter because I'm running a dictator. I cannot run a fuel pump, and yeah, the engine smokes though. So this is like my only problematic door because I need the rubbers and I need a window mechanism for this window. and the rubber for here and this one. But yeah, because it opens rough and it closes rough too. But yeah, this video is for the interior. As you can see, it's a mess. I need to get the seats covered. As you can see, I want to do the limited edition seats. Look, those who know golf know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I have the wrong steering in here. This is the CTI steering, and mine is a Velo seat. So I need to get my Velo steering, favorite steering ever. I need to get the cover for here to close all these wirings and whatnot. And then I need some few bolts. I need my, what is it called? Fan, whatever. The cover here, the fan. Yeah, I have this cover. Need a new carpet. Mine is ripped and all of that. I need new rubbers. There's the rubber I'm talking about. It's ripped here, around here. So I need that. Need a few dashboard pieces for here. And I put this screen in. There's Apple CarPlay. I'll show you all later on. But yeah, you see in the video, Apple CarPlay. I need a new boot because this is not the Velo gear knob too. Need a new carpet. It's a mess over there. You probably can't see it, but I'll open that door that side. I need that cover too, right there, here. I need that cover. And yeah, I want to get tint soon, but that's pretty much it. Let me take you all to the back. Yeah, these doors are good. It's a G-Wagon door. But yeah, okay, let's take you all to the back. Don't ask why I have these tools in here, it's a golf one. But yeah, this seat was loose. Need to get that covered when it's covered. And yeah, you know, it's mandatory to have that head in a VW, you all know this. So yeah, not much going on at the back really. And I bring you all here the side to the boots. Told you, this is mandatory. So near the brake lights, don't have that. Need these two mounts because when I close the boot too much, it moves, like it falls. And I do have a backboard. I was given this by a friend. So yeah. See the boot. This cable goes to the bottle. That should be there. Don't know that. I need a carpet and a board, and something is gonna go in there. I won't tell you all what, but something is gonna go in there. So yeah, pretty much it. And a lot of things still need to be done. I don't have rear seat belts. The plastic covers for there. Have a backboard, that's okay. Still need sound deadening too, because when it's driving you can hear a lot of road noise. And yeah, that's pretty much it with the interior, right? So guys, I'm behind the camera now, and yeah, that's the Apple CarPlay I was talking about. I said you'll see in the video. So yeah, we got proper sound. Let me play a song for y'all though. Yeah, there's a song already.